What happened, man?
Gosh, man, I never seen that kind of destruction. Screw kept the whole screw kept the bottom. Oh, okay, you good then. So you can put some screws in it. Look,
Oh, okay.
Okay, that ain't bad, man.
Wow.
See, this is what happens when you don't maintenance your vehicle. Jesse been in it. No, this right here.
Put them screws back in there and it's straight.
Fifth scale world.
Okay,
This is
say,
what
yo,
happens when you
yo,
don't maintenance your
you
vehicle.
doing too good.
Butter
Right here
gum,
off the motor.
tape, sticks and
Broke
twigs.
this off the motor.
Not on the part.
Yeah. That's your one of the mounts that go on the side
If
of the
your motor
motor.
messed up, just put it in the back of my car. I'll fix it.
Wow.
Problem is you ran a motherfucker 19 times.
When you see me line up,
Look, it's like gambling. The house won on that one.
I didn't even hit nothing, though. That's the thing about it.
I gotta look at the tape. I think they ran into the back of it.
Somebody hit him. He ran up on the back.
Who you tomorrow? Who you tomorrow?
I don't know.
Who's the same nigga ran me? That's who hit you. What I tell you, Pat? See, I can talk my shit. That's my guy, bro. This room I'm coming.